All right, let's do
Heard
this.
the recording.
Go.
Let's
All
go.
right. First full week of trading for the year. So looking forward to this week, to be honest. The last 2 weeks has been a nightmare. Um, so we're coming off a semi-bullish day on Friday. It wasn't really a full bull day because, as you can see, the bulls were short-lived due to this wick on the daily. Now, the positive thing is that we're holding this EMA that I have here nicely on SPY. So if it could stay on this level of 467.50 area, we should try to bounce up to try to retest some at least 470 or 471. But if we do lose 466, I think we do go down more. The only reason I'm saying that is because this is not light. It's not light red. It basically it's pink tint. It's not pink. So that's why I'm like, it could be a ugly little bear flag on the daily. It's forming. I don't know. So we're gonna be prepared. So I got these two levels plotted for us. I got this. Let me move this up more. Let me I'm gonna put a low force. I'm gonna put 466.15 so we could be prepared if it loses 466. And this level, I'm gonna keep it the same. So that's above my this should be my 9. Yeah, my 9 is my 21. So if we get above the 9, then yeah, we could climb a little higher on SPY. So yeah, overall, I I want to be bullish just for the day, but I know we've been trending down for the past like 5 to 6 days, unfortunately. But we're gonna let the dust settle like after the bell rings and see what direction SPY wants to go. But I could definitely see it like bouncing if it holds this 21 bounce here. So let's be patient for tomorrow. And we got data but that's towards the end of the week. So tomorrow there shouldn't be no turbulence in my opinion. So same goes for the Qs. I'm switching over to the Qs. Very similar to SPY. Qs and SPY look like twins right now across the board, RSI, MACD, everything. So I'm basically watching, what is this level right here? 395. So if we lose 395 on Qs, then I believe we could go lower. You could watch 399.80 zone, which is doable because we did all kiss there on Friday. It breaks Friday's highs, then we could possibly push to at least 402. 402 could be a strong rejection area. So if you go long, I wouldn't recommend holding past 402 if you actually catch the long. So could be a hard reject back down. But same same concept for Qs I have for SPY. We're in a tight zone. There's no 10 change on the MAC. So just be patient and wait for um a, a trend to try to build, I could say. Yeah. But I want to go up because we've been getting killed downside. So I want to see one at least tomorrow start a green candle for the week. So let's see what happens. All right, let me see. Let's talk about the main ones we do. Apple, Microsoft, right? All right. Okay. All right. So Apple still looks nasty, in my opinion. Yeah, this thing is still heavy. And we just went, yeah, it's really heavy. So Apple, this is what I'm saying. We gotta wait tomorrow. So Apple looks heavy. Apple looks like it wants to go to the 200 and then possibly try to bounce. So if you want to be patient, wait until 178.30 area for Apple to try to bounce back up. Let me delete this alert because it's the old one. Because overall on the daily, it doesn't look like there's any strength. And we're coming off a slight gap down 2 days before. So I'm gonna put my alert here to see if it wants to really bounce. So let's do 40, no, 35, 35, okay. And then if it breaks out, then easy entry will, you gotta wait till it gets above that Thursday candle and Friday wick. So it'll have to be, the only way I'll go long on Apple is if it goes up here, in my opinion, 183.90 area. All right, Microsoft. Microsoft still holding this tight channel. Every time I feel like we talk about Microsoft, it does not go below this channel. So Microsoft still holding this price level, which is good indication that they don't really want to sell it that much. I felt like if they wanted to sell it, the drop would have been heavier. But look, it's been down for like 4 out of the 5 days right here. One, two, three. So yeah, we got 5 candles and only one green one. So it's still coming off of a downside. So it could reverse tomorrow just because this price level held this. What's this price level? So I don't want to go all the way to, it's this 368. So 368 is a strong buy area. Because look over here, it goes up. Over here, it goes up too. So as long as we hold that, I think Microsoft should try to reclaim and go up. RSI is semi-heavy, but the good thing is they already did his down move, so we could start trying to see some pivot build, so we could go up. So overall, Apple looks heavier than Microsoft, in my opinion, because Microsoft is holding this channel right here. That's why I think it's stronger. So let's go to Google. Better, we can do better here. Okay, so Google, nice little wick off the 50. So that's not bad. That's a good sign. Um, RSI is entering a pivot area, yes, because it bounces around here. So Google don't look that bad. Google don't look bad. I think Google looks might be the strongest out the three we just spoke. And this MACD is still on the positive side. So that's still good. I mean, if we go short, just wait until we lose the 50, which is around what? This is what level? What price level is this? 136.20 area? 136.20 area would definitely bring it at least to, this is one level right here. So you get like a almost less than $1 move to the downside. If it loses that 135.40, then yes, it's going probably to my VP line. So just, we could be on both sides. Let me see. I'll watch longs around here. The alert right here, 35 cents. And like I said, if it loses that 50, then yeah, Google's gonna dump if it loses that. I'm sorry, that was a mistake. Oh, there we go. So I'm gonna slide this up a little right here. All right. So 136.20. So 136 puts or 135. Should definitely go into 135 range. Meta looks strong, guys. Look. So yeah, Meta did the tent, you see what I'm saying? So Meta looks good out of all the ones we just spoke about. And it's already RSI and reversing. So that RSI pointing up is good. It has to break this level, in my opinion. So I'll watch Meta upside through here. 354 dining area. But definitely bring it up. So Meta looks the strongest out of everything we just spoke about. Let's talk about Tesla. Who we missing? Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, or Netflix. And then that's it. Okay, so Tesla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red days. Finally on the green day came in on Friday, which is it came in at a good area. This is not a bad area, this little doji candle's trying to build. Because you don't want Tesla to lose this level. If Tesla loses this level, then it's gonna go down more. As long as it holds this level, what I got 233.80 area around there, 233.50. I think we're good. I think Tesla should try to reverse up out of here. So I'm gonna keep this for downside. I'm gonna keep this for long. So we go out 243.15 for longs. Downside 233.86. Let me delete this because that's too far out. All right. Don't care about this either. But Tesla looks like it could start turning. You see, it's trying to put like a little kickstand over here on the RSI. This don't look too friendly, but at least we're on the positive side. So let's take that for what it is. Netflix, all right? Damn, Netflix is yeah, Netflix is heavy in my opinion. I would watch. Let me delete these lines. I would watch the short opportunity for Netflix. I'll say has to be around here. So 470 is key for Netflix, in my opinion. And the only reason I'm saying it looks heavy is because we got this bearish candle rejecting off my 9 and 21. And then this is kind of saying that the RSI got exhausted and it looks like, excuse me, it might want to come down, possibly build a double bottom. And the MAC is heavy too. The MAC is not even strong. So that's why Netflix looks bearish to me. I won't even look for longs. All right, let's get the ball rolling. Get my list out. Okay, first on the list, we got, there's a small account one. Let me see how it looks. And then this one, Twilio, sorry. Okay, so, wow, this looks good. All right, this ETRN, Equitrans Mindstream Corporation. Okay. So it broke this resistance nice, right? Thursday it tried it tried to smack them back down, but then Friday came and engulfed this candle basically. So we could possibly see a day two out of this ticker. Um it's small account friendly, so if if you take this, I would put a month out expiration just to give it time because these small names don't like to hit and print hard right away. So I'll put an alert here. I would want to catch the bounce if you could. So this 1050 bounces resistance here and resistance here. So I'm looking for resistance turn support tomorrow. So I could possibly pull back and bounce right off then go higher. So it looks bullish across the board, guys. Everything looks strong. So small account can watch this. Twilio, okay. So Twilio's holding the 50 nicely, nicely. So we got that as a positive sign. 1, 2, 3 off the almost 3.5 down days. This is kicking up too, so that's good. Yeah, Twilio could definitely reverse tomorrow. I'll put an alert around here. Wait, right here. Yeah, right here. But be cautious because once it hits my 9 EMA, it could get smacked down. And 21, they're almost at the same spot, the 9 and 21. So it could rip and then just reject. So what we got? 70. And these EMAs are around almost 72. So 7180 is going to be a sticky area after that alert breaks 70, all right? So almost a dollar within that alert is gonna get rocky. So let's keep that in mind. All right. But overall, it looks like it wants to bounce. I like how these three candles stood in a tight range. We got Sony ripped after hours. Let's see if it's real tomorrow.
Yeah, we gotta catch this one. Yeah.
Yeah, well, we got now service. So Sony states that it's currently at 92.32. Okay, there's a room. I'm gonna put an alert around here to see if it holds it for tomorrow. 92.35. which is right above my yeah, my green EMA, which should be enough to test. Should test at least 93. And then next level will be, yeah, it'll be like 93 range. If it breaks 93, then yeah, it's gonna go higher. But I like this play right here. Let me see how this will do. Okay, we got a pivot here happening. We're still positive on the Mac. A lot of these candles did this on Friday. A lot of even Qs and spies did the same exact thing. So I'll watch the break above 92.35. Like I said, after hours is basically 3 cents away from that alert. So I just want to see if it's gonna hold it tomorrow. All right, so we got that one. Now service. I like now. This is a nice demand zone. Look, now rips from here. It went once, twice, third touch is usually a charm. So now it looks good. I like how he's turning on the RSI finally. Just don't look too friendly, but it could definitely put in a tent after all these red and pink ones. I'm gonna put an alert right here, right at the kiss of these, the 9 and 21, they're like colliding. So right at the kiss of that one, we're gonna do it. So 70, just a 70 for big accounts if I want to now service. Looks good. Next on the list. Uh, MU. All right. I wanted to play MU during the week, but it didn't give me the bullish movement that I wanted. So I want to watch a continuation for this week. Because Friday did do a good candle, but I feel like tomorrow could be day two. It could definitely rip this wick right here. So I'm just watching break above that wick. Simple. Very simple. Break above that, MU should rip higher. So 84.70 is a good watch. I like our RSI. It's very, very constructive to go up. The Mac looks good too. Of course, it's red. We've been getting the bears, so that makes sense. But the fact that it's still positive and there's a pivot over here. So that means tomorrow it can make a higher low on that Mac. So definitely watch MU tomorrow. Chips related. Okay, next. And that looks like a double bottom. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys. This is the first bounce. This is the second. I pull up the line graph. You could let me see how it looks. Oh, I pulled it up on the other side. Sorry. Let me see. All right. It don't look as clear. It looks clearer on a candle. Because if we read the candles right, this is a pivot and this is a pivot. So tomorrow it might be building and we could see it more clear. But this looks like a double bottom to me, clear as day. Um, Next, no, we spoke on Sony. Next, what's this? A small account tool, Smith and Wesson, the gun company, and we got some anti-inflationary name, Campbell Soup. All right, Smith and Wesson, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red days. It's time to change character. Let's see what we're doing. Yeah, this looks good, guys. Look, this is about to collide. The Mac got a dark tint on the green side. Just wait until we get above here. What is this? 19. I'll do 19. I'm sorry, 1360 for entry. Okay. This is the low. I try to make a pivot here. I mean, not try, it did make a pivot here. It ripped higher. Now it's making a pivot almost in the same price range. So that's why it looks good to go higher. CPB. Like I told you guys, anti-inflationary names. Coca-Cola's been ripping. KC's been ripping. Um, Kellanova, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, names like that, that basically what they're stating on the news, inflation's coming down. These names been going up. And they just started saying this around here. when they said inflation was coming down. So, and look, it's been ripping. So let's see if Campbell Soup wants to hold this 21 area, which it wicked off, and try to test the 200. So I would wait till Campbell Soup gets above here to catch our attention. Let me see, 44.25. Hold on, let me make sure this is, I feel like this is my 50. Hold on. Oh, no, that's my 200. All right, making sure. All right, so yeah, you could get there, then be careful around the 200. The good thing is we know it could break the 200 because look, it broke it there. That's the positive thing. And it wasn't even too long ago. LVS. Disney. All right. Las Vegas. Las Vegas holding the 50 nicely. You see this, guys? The Bears was in, right? On the past 5 or 6 days. But look at what LVS is doing. Straight screw the Bears. I'm going up. So let's see if we could keep this momentum. This looks good. Very nice little pivot away from the white line. This looks good too, extended, even though there's light change. So I'm gonna watch it till we break here. 51.60. Let's do 65. Disney. Nice consolidation on this price level on Disney right here. It does not want to lose this. What is this? 90 area, this $90 area is so strong. Look, we already got the pivots already building on the RSI. All you have to wait till it crosses or crashes. And the Mac looks good too. The Mac looked like it's ready to put the bulls in too. So let's watch Disney above here, guys. So these two are vacation names. Right? ACI. I feel like I've been talking about this name for the past month. Let's see. Oh, I pulled up here. I like earmuffs. Okay. ET. All right. Wow, look at this one, guys. Nice. But yeah, I have been talking about them all week, basically, since last week. But look, we got a nice bullish, almost engulfing. If this was shifted a little bit up, we would be good. But I like it still. That candle's the strongest candle out of almost 2 weeks. So that should say something. And look, we're ripping almost on the R. This is already has a tint change on the Mac, as you guys can see. Good. So it already broke macro. We just gotta wait until it breaks here. Feel like these people are gonna get some type of buyout deal or something.
Got ER this week too, sheep.
Oh shit. Yep. Thank you, bro.
Yep, yep.
Yep. There you go. So that could be it. It could be setting up for the rip for ER. Okay, so ET.
Sure looks like it, bro. Looks like it's gonna
Yeah.
blow that flag off.
Yep.
Morning pull.
Morning,
Man.
Fred.
What we got on ET, man. We look good, man. We killed this ET swing, guys. Um, it looks like it wants to retest 14, guys. But we're gonna be patient. We're gonna wait till it cracks that. Try to go for the 14 and a halves. I'm gonna wait till 14, 15. I just want to see if energy still has the momentum because energy did decent last week, along with oil. Just want to keep one in there to see if it really goes. Yeah, that's a big resistance. Wow. I didn't even notice this area when I put this line. Yeah, once it breaks that, it's going. All right, we'll keep that. Let's be patient on ET. Next. SPHR. I spoke about this name with you guys before. Someone put me onto that ticker though. I don't know how I got it. Someone told me about it. LYB. All right, so this Beer Entertainment C Corporation. Super demand zone right here, guys. This is like where these big monies like to come in. I'm gonna wait till we just get above this 50. I'm gonna be one page, yeah, I'm gonna be one patient trader and wait, which is my white line, the 50. So we get above that, which is 34, 35 area. I'll do 35. 30. They got 35 calls, which is definitely feasible because it hit 35, 20 something. So I like this one. RSI looks good. Mac, not too bad. The Bears are weak as hell, as you could tell. Look how little are they? So good one to watch. Not a high setup, but something to watch. Live Nation after 4 days reversed a little bit on Friday. Nice bounce off the 50. And that is a price level that is good to bounce off. 88.5, 55 zone. Right here it holds. Right here holds, it goes up, and right here it held and ripped up. So let's see if we get the same type of action. This looks good. This doesn't look that bad. But this is on the positive. So I'll be patient above right here. Go on the 21. I'll do 70. I'll give it 3 more cents. What's 3 cents gonna do? So as soon as it crosses both of my EMAs, my 9 and 21, should be a go on Live Nation, in my opinion. Okay. I want to talk about, let's talk about Barrett Gold. Barrett Gold. I played it in and out on Friday. Literally, I wanted to see if it went. It actually did go to my target, but it's all good. I basically wanted those half calls. Now, if we could get the half calls again, that would be great. Let's see how it looks on the daily. Because I went to 56. It went to 1756 that day, and I sold it around 1752. So could have definitely got a couple more dollars out of it. Okay, so as you can see, as long this is a little tight range it was in. As soon as we break out of this range, these 3 candles, we're good. We're good to go on gold. So I'm gonna watch her above here. 1780. All right. Let me see what the RS. This looks good. Nice pivot build. Tomorrow, I think these things are gonna start doing some tint changes if the bulls come in on across the board, like on all the tickets, because all these tickets are dark red because we've been getting this bearish ass week basically. So I think tomorrow could start changing the colors across the board on most of these max. So yeah, just watch till we break that to go long. Got lamination. Silver. Let's talk about I silver. Yeah, it smell good. Can you make me heat me up some? Sorry, guys. Uh, silver. Let's do silver. Okay. See, silver looks slightly stronger because the bulls been in since Thursday. That's good. So this could be the lager gold, and tomorrow could be another green one. So silver, I will watch around here for long. Let me see. Let's do 70 something. 70, 2170. All right. This looks good. We got a straight up double bottom on the RSI, clear as day. MACD, it is on the negative. What the hell? There we go. It is on the negative. We gotta be cautious. The good thing is that this thing is not that increased, like bigger than Thursday. So the MAC bars is almost twinning. Usually when they're twinning, that means they're getting weaker, and we should get a light one like this. Like for example, you see this bar, how small it is compared to this one. That didn't happen right here. So tomorrow we could start seeing some change in that. So watch longs if you want on silver. if I was to take silver or gold, I would want to swing it. I wouldn't even day trade it. Okay, let's talk about a firm. Let's see what a firm doing. Okay. Well, I was talking about this one Friday. I decided to talk about it today. It looked good on Friday, I'm not gonna lie. So a firm is good. This is a good level. This level right here, there's 38 range on a firm, right? If we analyze this, you see that it started building pivots around 37.70, almost 38, right? Right here. They try to lose it, but no, it ripped. Right here, same thing. Bounce off the 9 nicely. It respected the 9 for a long time. We just went under. But look where this green candle came in at the base of this candle and around this price level. So I think a firm could try to pump tomorrow. So I will watch it around here. This 45 area. I think 45 is key. If you want, let's just matter of fact, let's do 45.05. Let it go into 45 and see what type of price action we get to see if it's really gonna hold 45. Um, this looks, yeah, it looks good. It's pinking up finally after getting smacked down so much. We're on the positive. We're still positive on the max, so the Bulls could definitely come in and take over still. Oh, ball! I never played this, guys. Never played this. So if we catch this, it'll be a first for us. I like this one though. The chart looks fire. Pivots, yep, everything. Everything. Mac, RSI, everything looks good. It's one of the best ones I've been talking about. I mean, I just spoke about it. This is one of the best one out of all the ones that I just mentioned. Right here. So you want to get above the trend line, right, guys? To watch it. So 57.75. Let's see if we ball out on ball. All right. Ball looks good. I don't even know what this company does. All right.
Yeah. Manufacture balls, bro.
What you said, see?
Maybe they manufacture balls.
They're balling his foot.
So I like cat and deer. Which animal we like? Let's do this. All right, so cat gotta break out this EMA. Obviously you see that's like a wall to this ticker in the past 3 days. It cannot get above, cannot get above. So we're gonna wait. We gotta wait till it gets above the wick too, because they faked the bulls out. It ripped and then it went right back under. So we're gonna wait until we get here. This 292.90 area, right? Let's do 90. This, cat moves. We know how cat moves. So let's see if we can scratch that cat if it gets above there. Deer. Wow, deer, strong one, guys. Deer in the headlights. It's like a deer in headlights. Look at this one. Yeah, I like this one. Yo, you know what? We already know patterns ain't perfect, but that wanted to do a bullish engulfing as clear as day. So if I was to pick one out of these two animals, I'll go with the deer. All right, so the put it right here. Thank you. I'll leave it right there. I'm almost done. Thank you. The Mac don't look that healthy, I'll be honest, because I don't like how close they are to each other, and I don't want this to happen. So I'm gonna put an alert right around 399.70 for deer. But deer looks the strongest, in my opinion. Or if I didn't look at the Mac, of course, and the RSI, I like deer, like technically speaking, just looking at the candles compared to cat. So we got that one. Next, CX. What's CX? Played CX before, sounds very familiar. CX. Got on this side. FedEx. FedEx. All right. Small account friendly right here, guys. Wow, CX ripped the 9 and the 21 on Friday. Nice. This is a nice one right here, team. We could definitely see some continuation. I'll do $7.80 break for upside. We look good on Mac and RSI. FedEx, right? Okay, let's see what we're looking at FedEx. It's doing a double bottom and it's bouncing off the 200 nicely. The only thing is that double bottom is a lower pivot, so and it's funny. So on the charts, obviously there's a lower low, right? But on the RSI, there's a lower high. Very interesting. I'll wait till we get here.
That's bullish divergence in the Rizzy, bro. On the
Yeah,
RSI.
and the Rizzy. And I always favor the Rizzy. I always favor the RSI because of that. So I like FedEx upside. I don't think we could go, and we got the pink coming in on the Mac too. So yeah, just wait until we break basically Thursday and Friday's candles, and we should go higher. I got UPS too, I think. Let me verify my list. I think I do have UPS. Yep, I do. So UPS looks a little cleaner than FedEx. You see, FedEx will drive you, a little bit to the downside because you're like, damn, but this pivot is lower than this, so it might go down. But if you go to UPS, it's riding the 9 great. Like the past bearish days that we had, look, it doesn't want to go under really. So that's a good sign in price action. And look, this looks good. We got a quadruple bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. The more the bounce, usually that's gonna go. So, and this is on the positive side. So UPS is definitely cleaner than FedEx. So I will watch it around here. Right on that body on the daily. There's a good area to watch. So I'll put 65. Next. Oh, I got some health names. We're almost done, gang. Yo, shout out to Sif on this one. Let's see this one. JJ.
That's fire.
Yeah, bro. I seen it, bro. Think my boy's company looks strong. Let's see what's this. Yep. All right. So I got J&J Medtronics. Medtronics is like just grinding up. We've been on a bearish ass week and look, just slowly grinding up. So I feel like when we get that full bull day, it's gonna rip a new one, especially on the Mac. Look, everything is same. So macro break, right there. Yeah, look, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times rejection. Maybe it's gonna break finally. Let me adjust this. Hold on, guys. I don't want it that far out. There we go. All right, right here. I watch Medtronics for 85.55. And we got Johnson and Johnson. Let's see, Johnson. Oh, nice little flag on the RSI. Okay. Mac already looks good. I don't even gotta zoom in. Okay. So J&J. I'll watch around 25-cent break. It's 162.25. They got the 162.5 calls, which I think is definitely gonna hit if it breaks that level. Okay, so Johnson Johnson looks good. Let me see. I think I got 1 or 2 left, and then I'll take some names y'all want me to talk about. Oh yeah, Lyman was talking about this one in the chat. And I decided to look it up today, MNMD. And of course, we're going to talk about BA. Okay, so this is small account friendly too, guys. So Friday it broke a nice EMA at 200. And the fact that it held above it, that looks good. So, but I would, after 2 green days, I would honestly want to wait for a bounce entry. So let me dissect this on the 15th for y'all. Because y'all know me, I'm a 15-minute maniac. So, boom, double. I could see a double topping, pulling back. Over here is where I want to get in for this for a bounce. So I would watch 390 for the $4. Yeah, that makes sense. 390 for the $4 calls on that one. So that one could be that one. Small account friendly too. BA, right? What we looking at BA? Let's see how BA looks. BA looks fire to go up, yo. Yeah, we got the tint already, and this RSI already ripping up. Ugliest morning star I ever seen, but we're gonna take it for what it is. I'm gonna watch it above here. This 252.35 area. Belong. Let's see if we break that morning flag and go up. So BA looks good, man. Definitely good. Let's see. It's the beginning of the month. I know how y'all like to watch BA in the beginning of the month. Let's see. All right. Y'all got any names? That was it, gang.
Shit, beginning of the month at the beginning of the year.
Yeah.
Yahtzee.
Do it.
I got a new one for y'all. I don't know if you have this SDIV.
Victor?
Sandy Diego India Victor. Yeah.
Okay. This one right here, bro.
Hmm.
All right. No, I never heard of this one. I don't even got it, to be honest.
Super dividend ETF. So just grouping all the dividend, all the high dividend stocks.
Yeah. Crazy, right?
It'd be interesting to see how this moves with the market, bro. I'm gonna add this. Thanks for this, man. I'm gonna add this to my like daily tickers because if
Global
they're
X.
moving into this, they're moving into safety.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dividends is the safe money.
Okay. What's new?
What's up?
I'll watch 70 area. Okay. Interesting. Super dividends. Yeah. I put that alert for you, bro. Why not? All tickers are welcome in this chat.
Hell yeah. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how this runs with consumer staples and defensive plays. Interesting.
Thanks, Rob.
I love Myrna for tomorrow. I posted a couple of charts, but I'm really loving Myrna for tomorrow.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
at least
I'm mad I missed Myrna.
Bye.
That Friday move was crazy.
bro, real move might be next.
It's dangerous though. Just the
Yeah.
the only, I mean, don't get me wrong, hell yeah, it could go higher. It's just
It could dump.
yeah, once it gets to that resistance, it might double top out. So Myrna, let me see. It wicked crazy here. So we already know this is major reject area around here. And then there's another rejection area around here. So we got a level 115 or 117. So if I was to play Myrna to be safe, yeah, I would wait for some type of bounce, bro. Let me see. And kill logs. So, all right, the good thing is that Friday it did rip and it sold off. So it's kind of giving us the opportunity to do that move I want. So my entry, if I was to catch along, it'll be like around here, bro. If it wants to pull back there. Let me see. Yeah, the 112 area, because it smoked 112 on Friday. It went to 115 actually. So that's not bad. And what I'm looking for is the bounce like around here, like it did this resistance or little resistance turn support time on Myrna. But the daily don't look weak at all, in my opinion. It looks like they try to put in the most retarded morning star, but it could definitely do it, bro. And if it breaks that 117, we're going to 120, without a doubt. So, yeah, we could possibly see a continuation on Myrna, bro. House been doing his thing. Now that we talk about Myrna, let's talk about this one, because this one is
Is it Pfizer?
fucking not Merc, bro. Merc's been on a tear, bro. Tear. A bear market where on Merc, bro.
I think Gilead, bro, is fucking too
Gilead. Yeah.
nuts.
Yeah, bro, this is crazy.
Thanks for
Damn.
the.
Yeah, of course, my brother. All right, it's too late though for Merc. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah.
If anything, we short this bitch. Um, the only reason is because of that candle under there. That's clear as day reversal doji type of vibe right here. And
Mm.
look how freaking overbought we are. It's already giving us the sign like, yo, we want to come back down. So the easiest short, this could be the easy short on Merc. 116.70. Definitely gonna bring it to 115. So this looks heavy. Um, I'll keep that in mind when it comes to the health names I got. And let me see, my boy said Gilead, right? That's GLD. Oh, GILD. Whoa, sorry. Excuse me. Oh, Gilead. See, Gilead already put in the bearishness.
Mhm.
Yep, Gilead put in the bearishness. As soon as Gilead loses this right here, what is this? 83. Yeah, 83 levels lost. It's gonna probably go to, yeah, the 9, which is 82 something. Yeah, 82 something. So if anything, this is a little delayed. This is no way. This is gonna put in a green candle tomorrow, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. No way. Wow. No way. I put my money on that for sure. It's gonna come down tomorrow. All right. So yeah, be careful with some health names. I mean, it's given. Health was doing good, right, in the past last week. So just be careful with the health names. I know Sif is watching Myrna because they had their little run already, you feel me? And
Mhm.
remember Lily. Remember Lily. Lily went crazy last week. So just be cautious on these healths. All right. I
Thank
think
you, bro. Watching Banks all into this week because Bank ER
Banks
starts.
Banks ER starts. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. And Banks, I'm gonna be honest, they've been ripping. So I really don't know which way that ER is gonna go. Cause if we talk about a few, let's just pull up Wells Fargo's, right?
They all good, bro.
They all been ripping like look, this joint's almost doing a cup and handle type of thing here.
Full flag break.
Let's talk about Bank of America. I mean, I haven't seen them,
We
but
have seen the bullfrag break.
yeah,
Same.
that's the longest flag in the world right there. Look at BAC. BAC already broke. BAC, I mean, Wells Fargo looks like it wants to do what BAC already doing. Put it like that. So yeah, I don't know if they rip these through ER. I'll be kind of shocked, man. I'll be honest, because this joint it's been steady ripping. Look, the
You're
9.
gonna you're gonna love GS and MS as well. And then PayPal went on Friday just like we schemed
Oh,
on
I
Thursday.
got paid. Oh shoot, I think I got that one on my watch. Hold on, let me verify.
I pray PayPal has continuation
Let
because
me
we
see.
called it Thursday night.
Let me
I just
see.
didn't call out a strike price on Friday when it ripped.
PayPal. I didn't add it? Oh, I could have sworn I did, bro. I probably looked at it and just said, fuck it.
Yeah,
Nah,
I remember you mentioned with like MU, PayPal, and SQ. I remember that when you were
yeah,
mentioning MU before.
yeah. So I'll pull up PayPal. But yeah, look at BAC, fellas. This joint, the 9 is his freaking daddy, bro. Look, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah. All right, let's see PayPal. Yeah, that 9 is strong, bro. Nice bullish trend.
When she wants
And
to be.
GS, my boy said GS. Golden Sachs. Oh, yeah, PayPal fire, bro. I like PayPal. Yeah. Oh, easy entry on PayPal, gang. Hell yeah, right here.
We called that shit Thursday, bro.
Yeah, PayPal's fire. I'll do 95 so we could get that gamma squeeze if it rips through 61. I like PayPal. I like the RSI and the Mac. And it's pink already. Yeah, yo, these all look identical, bro. Look at GS. Looks like WFC.
Whoever wants to pay us the first.
Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, man, we got a lot to look forward to this week, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's gonna be a fire week game.
fire week, fire week. All right, gang. Anything else?
That's it, my G. Thanks for everything, bro.
Thank you.
Of course, man. Hope y'all had a good weekend, man. We got a full week of trading, man. So
Oh yeah.
looking forward to that with y'all.
Looking
All right,
forward
yeah.
to catch you in the morning, man.
I'll miss the morning session tomorrow. All the swings, but I'll be full go on Tuesday. I got some crap
Alright.
at work tomorrow early. I gotta take care of.
All right, no problem, my brother. Don't rush. No rush.
Oh, you still in Mobileye, Nami?
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
done.
swinging that WBA,
1 second. 1 second.
Pfizer, and then JPM short.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Cool.
Yeah, I
cool,
got
Yeah.
Pfizer too and Mobile. I got Sound, and I got Nordstrom. Yeah, I think I got like 3
Yeah.
or 4. Nothing crazy.
cool.
Not
I'm
bad
rolling
risk
down with you,
reward
too.
on that JPM short, know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely. That was a fire one.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
That's a
See if it
slick
plays
trade.
out.
All right. I'll catch you on the dark side.
Bro.
Alrighty.
All right.
All right.
Late.